Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Mylene Mabini, and I was born on March 8, 1986. I am 40 years old at this time. I am happily married and blessed with 3 children, ages 16 years old, 11 years old, and 6 years old. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate. I have worked as a nanny and helper here in the Philippines for 3 years, and I have served 4 members of the family, including 1 couple and 2 children. I have also worked as a nanny and domestic helper in United Arab Emirates and Hong Kong. My daily duties are preparing meals, taking good care for kids, cleaning the house, car washing, cooking, doing the laundry, and many more. I am doing this not only for myself, but to provide for my family needs and for my kids' future. I can overcome homesickness by keeping myself busy to my work. And if my employer is very hard to please, I will focus to my work and do my best to gain their trust. For the kids, I can prepare food on time. I can maintain clean and safe environment for them. I can sing lullaby for them. I can play and encourage them to play. I can encourage them to eat and do their homeworks. I can regularly check if the diaper is wet and feed the baby on time and give the medicine on time. I am a trustworthy and hardworking person. I am a God-fearing and willing to learn new things. And I promise to do my best. I will treat your family as my own. And I will always show my respect for the whole family. And I will protect and keep the peace in your home. So to my future employer, if you will choose me, I promise that I am worthy of your trust. And I promise that I will finish my contract. I hope that I will be seeing you soon. Thank you so much and God bless.